How to download audio from WhatsApp. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download audio from WhatsApp. If you have already downloaded or played the WhatsApp audio before, then it will be automatically downloaded in your file manager. But if you have not downloaded or played the WhatsApp audio yet, then you may need to go to the chat section that contains the audio message you'd like to download. For that, you need to open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will reach to this home page or the chat section. You'll locate the chat containing the audio message you would like to download. Once you open the chat, there you will find the audio message. Here in the audio message, you will see the download icon if you have not downloaded or played it yet. You just simply have to tap on that play button and play it. Once you have played it, now it will be downloaded to your file manager. To check it, you need to come back to the home screen and now select your file manager from your home screen. Now you will be taken to your file manager. Here you need to select your internal storage. Once you select it, here you will need to find media. If you couldn't find the file in this section, you may also use the search icon from the top, and then in the search bar you need to type WhatsApp and search for it. Once you search for it, below you will find the search results. From here you need to select this voice notes. Tap on this voice notes and under it you will find various audio files that has been downloaded in that particular time. From here you can select the one that you are looking for and tap on it to open it. Then there you will find all the downloaded voice notes. Now you can tap on each of them to play them. So by following these steps, you should be able to download audio from your WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.